What's the meaning of celebrant? Celebrant. Celebrant.
Celebrant. Celebrant. A celebrant is a person who officiates at a ceremony, such as a wedding or funeral, and leads the proceedings. They are typically trained to provide personalized and meaningful ceremonies that reflect the beliefs and values of the people involved. A celebrant's role is to create a ceremony that is unique and special for the couple or family, and to make sure that the ceremony runs smoothly and according to plan. They may also help with the planning and organization of the event, and offer support and guidance to those involved.